Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore or recover deleted files in the Files app in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Files and then click on this browse icon. Now click on recently deleted, and from here you can recover your all previously deleted files and folders. Click on this option icon and click select. Now select the files and folders you want to recover and then click on recover. Now all the files and folders are recovered to their previous positions. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.